9430 at All Star Music. You get the nice welcome on the TV. We'll start over here. There's the window and an area to hang things. You have this center console. Let's open this up, see what's in here. So it's some storage with some pillows. We have the drawers. And then in the current state, there's the sofa. And this is where the one bed will come down. You have the Amazon Assistant, that's the Disney version here. The kitchen table with the bed that comes down from that one as well. We have the first bathroom. So we'll turn on the lights here. This has the pocket door, so the toilet and shower with the pocket door, and then the main part of the bathroom with the sink and a lot of storage and an area to hang things with another pocket door. So that's really the first half of the room. We come out here into a hallway in between the bedrooms, and we have a kitchen area. So we have a sink with storage and microwave and a good sized refrigerator here. So, small residential refrigerator, pretty good size. We have some artwork here. And then we have the master suite. So we have another TV with the welcome on it. Now we have the same setup here with a safe in this one with the storage and the pillows. Separate air in here. Window with the seat. Lamp. The master bed. Some more artwork. An area to get ready with the mirror. And then we have the master bathroom. So we have an area to hang stuff again. The sink with the mirror and storage and everything here. And then a pocket door with the toilet and the shower. And then if we go back out to the main room, we can show you these beds. And there's storage in the ottoman. All right, and we're gonna lower the bed. So you move the ottoman first, and then you have the bed that comes out. And then you have your pillows. And that's the first bed completed. All right, now we're going to lower the other bed. All right, now I'm going to grab the pillows. And then here's what it looks like with both the beds down in this room.